everyone, welcome to my channel. And now I'm here at the lake, at Eagle Mountain Lake. I just keep filming for this little geese in here. There are a lot of geese. Alright. Hello, kissy kissy. Yeah, they're so good. Come on. Come on, I have some presents for you. Yes, here. Come on. Come on. I got some presents for you. Okay. Okay. Oh. We are here. That's why I can give some breads. You see? Because I have a bunch of bread at home, so I give some breads for them. See, they're so cute. Come on. Come on here. You see? This is what we call here the Eagle Mountain Lake. It's just 5 minutes away from home. They're so cute. Where are the others? Huh? Where are the others? Yes, come on, come. Come here. Here, still have bread. Come on. Yeah, there's a lot of. Oh, no fighting. Why do you do that?
Oh, that's why. That's the leader.
Yeah, that's the leader. Come on! There's still have bread in here. Come on! This is what they like. They like some bread. Here, you see? Oh. Here. They're so cute. Look, I never seen the ducks. Where are the ducks? Yeah. I never seen the ducks. Where are they? I think behind me. Yeah. Come on here. I love to eat breads too, that's why. Yeah, I like the color.
Are the hot dogs done?
Yes, come on here. Come on here. Still have bread. Here. Beautiful.
Is this a bread throwing competition?
Yeah.
Hey, I'll be right back. Watch my 2 poles. I'll be right back.
They have some breads. Yeah, I like this color, white color here. Look. Yeah, the ducks are coming. Come on here. Come on here. They're here coming. Come on. I give them some bread because they're not on the other side. So this lake here is pretty big. Some people have swimming. It's very nice. It's a pretty nice little bit there because it's still clear sky. They're there. Come. You see, I keep feeding them. Look, they look of bread. Oh my god. I'm almost out of bread right now. Come on. Ducky is cute. I like that kind of color. Do you see? You see? They're so cute. The others are here. Come on here. Oh. I love to see the beauty of nature here. Just a few days ago, it's like there's a lot of rain. Yeah. See, hello. What fish is this?
I do not know.
Wow, that's cool. It's nice. Oh my god, it's pretty big.
It's a drum?
It's a drum, yeah. There, come back to the lake. Oh my god. Come on here. You see, this is a pretty big lake here. Where do you have fish? Look. I'm gonna show you the fish. Wow, that's good. That's
Here, I'm gonna take the hook out. You hold him.
Look, it's a huge fish. Oh my god.
This is the biggest one I caught.
Yeah, that's cool.
How was that
Biggest
little?
one today.
Oh,
Yeah, it's the biggest one out of the day, but how was that little? What do you
And
think?
they thought it was just another rock.
oh, that's big. Yes, we're trying to go hiking on this side where there's a pond. So yeah, look at this here. Oh, look at this here. It's nice to go swimming, honey, or boating something. Oh, look, there's some there. You see, it's pretty big lake here in Eagle Mountain Lake. It's nice to go for kayaking, boating, and jet. Look, there's the other jet ski on the side too. Yeah, this is the pretty big size of lake here. And the other at the back side there, you can do fishing sometimes. Yeah, I miss my outdoor life of swimming, skiing. Yeah. That's pretty good. Look. They're enjoying swimming though. Look, the ducks. Hello, kitty. Yeah. I love to watch them while swimming. Look. You see, this is a pretty good weather today. It's in the Eagle Mountain Lake. Yeah. Look. I love to watch them. Alright. They just have fun. People here enjoy swimming because today is Sunday, so they enjoy swimming. Yeah, kitty. See you later. Bye. They're so cute. You see? There's a kid floating in the water. Alright. That's what I told you the one day, honey, that I want to buy a kayak. I want to do kayaking. You see? There's a big pond here where they have fish. The kids enjoy fishing here. Oh my god. I'm scared because maybe there's an iguana here, honey. What, honey? Snakes? Oh my god. I'm scared. So this is now the beauty of nature here. Look. Yeah, look. They enjoy boating, swimming in the big lake here in Eagle Mountain Lake. You see, the weather is pretty good now. Look, it's a blue sky, and look, people here enjoy swimming. Yeah, I like the view right here. You see? The lake. People enjoy swimming since the day is Sunday, so they have fun swimming here. Yeah. Maybe next time we can do boating in here, honey. Yeah, I miss my life of swimming, so maybe next time we can do boating or kayaking. Yeah, this is the Eagle Mountain Lake here in Texas, close by. So alright, thank you so much for watching. This is all of my view today at the lake right now at Eagle Mountain Lake here in Texas. Alright, bye. Thank you for watching my